A very good day to all of you. CIT NCERT conducts online training to promote use of technology in teaching and learning process. One of the upcoming activity is online training on mental and physical well-being in the era of cyberspace. This online training is conducted by CIT NCERT Ministry of Education from 3rd to 7th of February 2025. Students, teachers, teacher educators, parents, administrators, and all those who are interested can participate in this training. This program will be conducted in two language versions. The English version is scheduled from 3rd to 7th of February 2025, while the Hindi version will take place from 10th to 14th of February 2025. The sessions will be broadcast live on NCERT official YouTube channel. Participants will also have the access to recorded session through a dedicated YouTube playlist. After the completion of this training series, the learner will be able to understand the policy frameworks on mental and physical well-being in cyberspace, evaluate screen time effects on cognitive function, stress levels, and physical health, adopt digital detox practices to reduce dependency and enhance mindfulness, utilize well-being tools for stress management, focus, and emotional resilience, develop self-regulation strategy for responsible digital engagement, promote physical activity to counteract sedentary digital lifestyles, enhance institutional and personal responsibility for fostering digital well-being, create a balanced digital environment that supports long-term mental wellness. Now we will see how we can participate in this training. Step 1, registration. Participants need to register using the given link, or they can also scan the given QR code. This link is also given in the description box of this video. Step 2, watch live training sessions and learn about the topic. Participants need to attend the training sessions, which will be live streamed on NCERT official YouTube channel from 3rd to 7th of February 2025 from 4 to 5 p.m. If anyone has missed the live sessions, they can watch the recording using this playlist link. This link is also given in the description box of this video. Step 3. Take up the online course, participate in post-assessment and get certified. If you are interested to earn a certificate for continuous professional development, you have to join the online course that will be launched on Diksha portal. Course link will be updated on this event page on the last day of the training by 7 p.m. The link will be updated in the description box of this video as well. Participants need to join the course, go through all the 5 videos and take up the final assessment. Please note that participants can attempt thrice the assessment. Participants who score 70% and above in the final assessment will get a certificate. Step 4. Submit your feedback. Participants can submit their feedback using the given link, or they can also scan the given QR code. This link is also given in the description box of this video. This feedback form is intended to know your experiences, learning, and suggestions regarding the online training. This training is conducted by CIT NCERT Ministry of Education. It is requested to all to kindly participate in this online training on mental and physical well-being in the era of cyberspace. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.